Oh, hello my friends. So today I'm doing special episode because some cars came, and I have to show you something as I promised. I have new baby. You don't see yet, but let's come, I will show you. Here we are. Citroen 2CV 1971. Iconic car, as you can see. Pretty much good condition. Also, I got a spare engine, so if will be any problems, we have some parts, some donor. Oh, see, not so bad. Just wanna show you how it looks like. Okay, these doors, I think it was some already. Some stuff was here, made, so maybe. Oh, but look, interior is in place. The roof, no, it's nice roof. No any damage, I don't see it yet, so. I think it's gonna be very nice car. We will do red and black. We will delete with white stuff and I will make a black wheels. Some also other stuff black, so will be design will be red and black. Okay, we have to figure out how to open. Probably it's much more easier as I think. Opa! We have the engine. Everything is in place, seems to be. I like this car. It really brings a smile, on your face when you see this car, so I'm really happy. I hope you will like also videos about this car. Stay in touch, my friend. As you can see, my friends, I have a new project, 1971 Citroen 2CV. So please stay on my channel. Please like this video, subscribe, and you will see more episodes about this very interesting French classic car. See you soon, my friends.